Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline Dinda. For those who are new here, I do organic farming, cooking, and I live in the village, one of the villages in Makueni County. Makueni County is in Kenya, Africa. That is where I reside. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always passing by, liking and sharing my videos. And I'm so grateful for that. And in today's video, I'm in my farm where I planted the French beans. I want to show you how they are faring as I carry my cows some Napier grass. Then from there, I'll just show you the next activity I'll be undertaking. But for now, I want to show you how my French beans are faring. They have germinated. It's around 1 week since I planted. And they have germinated very well. Let me show you. So guys, this is how the farm looks like. Let me zoom. This is how they have germinated, and just imagine it's only 1 week because I was just planting last week. They have just finished 1 week and they have grown to this. So French beans just take only 2 months and you start harvesting. And like I told you last time, they are very rewarding. Just 2 months and you start putting money on your pocket. So this is the look of my farm. Very smart. And I've put these scarecrows to scare the birds. These are the scarecrows. To scare the birds. You know, when they are like this, birds tend to eat them. And I will also add some scarecrows because these ones are not enough. I've just put a few. I'll put some more. And guys, I've also planted some colored greens in between. These are the colored greens. So they have not planted many of them. I've just planted a few. So let me show you. This is the first farm. Let me show you the other farm, how it is faring. Let's go with you guys. We are heading to the second farm, guys. And this is it. They are very smart, as you can see. Let me show you the whole farm first. That is how it looks. So guys, I'll just come and add the scarecrows tomorrow. For now, I just want to go home so that I can take the Napier grass to my cows. Then today I want to work on my kitchen garden. Yeah. So let's get into the cutting of the Napier grass so that we can go to the kitchen garden. So guys, right now I'm in my kitchen garden, and as you can see, my crops are still growing and it's very sunny. I don't know if you are seeing it very well. These are the crops. Yeah, they are still growing. They are growing very well. Nursery bed. It has some seedlings also. So let me show you the work I was coming to do. I want to cultivate this other place over here. Yeah, this is what remained when I was cultivating just the other time. I want to cultivate this one so that I can plant the seedlings that remained in the nursery bed. Yeah, and I've also lit some fire to burn the excess what. So this is the dry weed I removed from the place I have planted here. This I've just decided to burn it over this place. Yeah, so let's get into the work, guys. So guys, I've just finished cultivating. Yeah, but I'm tired. I will not prepare the farrows today. I will just prepare them tomorrow. Yeah, for today I'm tired. I need to rest so that I can do the rest of the work tomorrow. Yeah, that is the part of the farm that I've cultivated. It's just like that. This one is the other one that I've planted, the amaranth and the black nightshade. They are coming up very well. So guys, I'll just end the video there for today. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, I'm on road to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, make sure you subscribe so that I can reach the target. Don't forget to like so that the video can be recommended to many more people. Yeah, watch to the end and share. So let's meet in the next video. For now, it's a bye bye.